Hi guys, I'm Nimisha and I'm taking you through all the books that I read in September with my quick thoughts. So the first book that I read is Blowfish. Now this is a very melancholic sort of love story and it was a very unique read for me and it might not be for everyone. So if you're someone who loves unconventional romances, then you can give this one a try. The second one that I read was My Husband. Now this is about a female who is completely obsessed and in love with her husband after 12 years of her marriage and with two kids. She does some questionable things which make it actually a very thrilling and interesting read, and I really enjoyed it. Third book that I read was Slaughterhouse 5 by Kurt Vonnegut. Now, I was not expecting to like this book as much as I did. It is basically a war story, but it also has elements of science fiction, time travel, aliens, and the writing was really funny, and I enjoyed reading it. The fourth book that I read was Tokyo Express by Seiichi Matsumoto. Now, I had high expectations from this book, but it did not turn out to be as brilliant as I thought it would be. It is actually a murder mystery, but it is set in 1960s Japan, which made it not so relevant for these times. The next book that I read was Parable of Sword by Octavia E. Butler. Now, this is a near future dystopia which feels eerily relevant in the current times. It is caused due to the lack of resources and economic crisis, and it is about a girl who travels through a land which is plagued with drug wars, and she also has a special power. But the thing that I really did not like about this book was that it was really slow. Because this book is in two parts, I think a lot of things were left for the second part. But yeah, I'm going to read the second part, if not immediately, maybe sometime in the future. So the next book that I read was The Very Secret Society of Irregular Witches. Now, I had very high expectations from this book, but it turned out something very similar to what I've read previously, which was The House in the Cerulean Sea. Don't get me wrong, this book was nice with all the cozy vibes, but the story was highly predictable and the problems that were created were just there to move the plot ahead. And the end was also not very satisfying. There are other books like this, so I think you can skip it. And the last book that I read this month was Snow Country, and it is a very melancholic and plotless sort of a book. Author has done a very good job of depicting a remote snow town in Japan. The vibes are very good. The writing is really beautiful. But if you consider at the heart of it, I did not find any plot, and or whatever it was, I could not see the point of it. I don't know how I feel about it, but if you want to read something which is all vibes and no plot, then I think you can give this a try. For all the books that I read in the month of September, how was your September? Any book that you would like to recommend me, to let me know in the comments.